In this video, we are going to learn one of Excel's smartest and most time-saving feature known as flash fill. If you have ever manually extracted first names, combined text, or cleaned messy data row by row, then flash fill will feel like a magic. Flash fill is a feature in Excel that automatically recognizes patterns in your data and fills the remaining cells accordingly. Instead of writing formulas like left, right, mid, etc., Flash Fill simply observes what you type and repeats the pattern for you. Let us understand how we can use Flash Fill with the help of a few examples. In this table, we have the name of a few people. So we have to extract the first and the last name. So we'll type Sarah, Ravi, and the moment we type the second name, Excel recognizes the pattern and the remaining data is appearing automatically. So what we can do is we can press enter and the full table is filled automatically. Let's do the same for the last name. So here we'll type Ravi, Lee, and again Excel recognizes the pattern. To fill the data automatically, we can use flash fill and the shortcut for flash fill is Control and E. So if we press Control and E on our keyboard, we get the data based on the patterns recognized by Excel. Let's look at another example. So here we are combining the first name and last name. We'll type Sarah Gupta Ravi and see again Excel has recognized the pattern. If we don't want to use the shortcut, there is another way. So we select the data to be filled or we select the cells to be filled, go to data, and here we have the option of flash fill. So we click here and we get the combined names for all the employees or people in the list. Let's look at another example. So here we have the first name and last name, and these people are working in the same organization. So we have to update the mail IDs. So we'll do it for one or two people. So we'll type Sarah or Gupta at abc.com, Ravi, and see again Excel recognizes the pattern that it has to fill the email IDs for all the employees in the list. So you'll press Control and E, and the data is auto populated in the table. Flash fill also works with the dates and the numbers. Here in this table, we have a few dates and we want to extract the year from here. So we can write the year formula in Excel or we can use the flash fill. So we'll type 2022, 2013, select the range, again go to data, flash fill, and data is auto updated. Flash fill is a feature in Excel that automatically recognizes the pattern in the data and fills the remaining cells accordingly. There are a few limitations of flash fill. So flash fill does not update automatically if the source data changes. If I change the date from 15/11/2022 to 15/11/2023, the data does not get updated automatically. So in this case, we'll again have to use the flash fill to update the data. It works on patterns and not logic. So data has to be in a consistent pattern and it is not a replacement for formula in dynamic models. So flash fill can be used when we are cleaning data, but it is not a replacement for formulas if we are working in a dynamic model because it does not update the data automatically if the source data changes. Thank you.